Hello and welcome. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a relaxing day? Maybe you watched the movie or read a book, but at the end of the day, you feel guilty.
Oh, yes, all the time. It's a strange feeling. You enjoyed the day, but a little voice in your head says, you should have done more. You should have been productive.
Exactly. That feeling has a name. It's called productivity guilt. And today, we're going to talk all about it. Welcome to English Audio Lab. My name is Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're here to practice English with us.
As we said, our topic is productivity guilt. This is the feeling that you are not doing enough work or that you are wasting your time when you should be busy.
It's a very common feeling for many people around the world, so you are not alone.
And stay with us because later in this episode, we'll practice some simple, natural phrases you can use to talk about this feeling with friends.
And if you want to improve your real life English, make sure you subscribe to English Audio Lab. That way you won't miss our new lessons.
All right, Alicia, let's start with a little story. I want you and everyone listening to imagine a situation.
Okay, I'm ready.
It's Sunday morning. You wake up and you make a list. On your list, you have clean the whole house, study English for 2 hours, and go for a run. A very productive day.
That sounds like a great plan, but I have a feeling I know what happens next.
Well, after breakfast, you look outside, the weather is beautiful, so you decide to sit on your balcony with a cup of tea and a book.
And 1 hour becomes 3 hours. I get lost in my book. Then I call a friend and we talk for a long time. Suddenly, it's evening. The house is still messy and I didn't study any English.
And how do you feel?
I feel bad. I feel guilty. Even though I had a lovely, relaxing day, I feel like I failed.
That's a perfect example of productivity guilt. Your brain says rest is bad and work is good. Let's listen to a dialogue between two friends, Sarah and Mark, who are talking about this exact thing. I will be Mark, and Alicia will be Sarah.
What a long Monday. I feel like I wasted my whole weekend.
Wasted, but you told me you visited your family and had a great time.
I did, but I didn't get anything done from my to do list. My apartment is a mess, and I didn't prepare for my presentation this week.
I see. But sometimes relaxing is getting something done. You need to recharge your batteries?
I know you're right, but it's hard to shake the feeling that I should have been more productive.
I get it. It's like there's a constant pressure to always be busy, but you can't work all the time. Your brain needs a break.
You're a good friend, Mark. Thanks. I feel a little better.
Okay, a great little conversation there. Let's break down some of the useful words and phrases they use.
Yes, the first thing I heard was Sarah saying, I feel like I wasted my whole weekend. What does wasted mean here, Trevor?
Good question. To waste something means to use it badly or not use it at all. If you waste food, you throw it away. If you waste time, you use it for something that is not important or useful.
So Sarah feels that relaxing was not a good use of her time, even though she enjoyed it.
Exactly. Next, she said, I didn't get anything done. This is a very common phrase in English. To get something done means to finish a task.
So you could say, I need to get my homework done, or I got a lot of work done today.
Perfect examples. Then Mark gives some great advice. He says, you need to recharge your batteries.
Like a phone battery. When it's low, you need to plug it in and charge it.
That's the one. When we talk about people, to recharge means to rest and get your energy back. Relaxing is how you recharge.
I love that. I'm not being lazy, I'm recharging.
Finally, Sarah says, it's hard to shake the feeling. This is a wonderful idiom. To shake a feeling means to get rid of it or to make it go away.
So, if you can't shake a feeling, it means the feeling stays with you and it's difficult to stop thinking about it.
You've got it. It's a persistent feeling. She knows she should relax, but she can't get rid of the guilt. Now it's time to practice. We are going to say these phrases, and we want you to repeat them out loud, pausing the audio if you need to. First, we will say it slowly. Then, Alicia will repeat it. Then, we will say it again at a more natural, normal speed.
Okay, I'm ready to practice with our listeners.
Let's start. Phrase number one, slow version. I feel like I wasted my weekend.
I feel like I wasted my weekend.
Now, natural speed. I feel like I wasted my weekend. Great. Phrase number two, slow version. I didn't get anything done.
I didn't get anything done.
Natural speed. I didn't get anything done. Excellent. Number three, slow version. You need to recharge.
You need to recharge.
Natural speed. You need to recharge. And the last one, low version. It's hard to shake the feeling.
It's hard to shake the feeling.
It's hard to shake the feeling.
That was great practice. Speaking the words out loud really helps you remember them.
It really does. Now let's think about a different situation. Productivity guilt doesn't only happen on weekends, it can also happen at work.
Oh, definitely. For example, sometimes I finish all my important tasks for the day and it's only 3 p.m. I have 1 hour left, but nothing urgent to do.
And what do you do?
Well, I feel guilty. I feel like I should look busy. Maybe I organize my emails or clean my desk, but I feel like I'm pretending to work. I feel lazy.
That's another perfect example. You finished your work efficiently. That's a good thing. But you feel pressure to look busy for other people. Maybe you see a colleague who is always typing fast and talking on the phone, and you feel you should be doing the same.
Exactly. It's hard to just sit and relax for a moment at work without feeling that someone is judging you.
So here's a question to think about. Are you being lazy or are you being efficient? Finishing your work early is a sign of efficiency. It's something to be proud of, not guilty about. Okay, let's move to some more active practice for our listeners. We are going to give you a situation and we want you to try to respond out loud.
This is your chance to speak. Don't be shy.
Situation one. Imagine your friend says to you, I feel so lazy. I just watch TV all day. You want to be a supportive friend like Mark. How can you respond? Use the phrase need to recharge. I'll give you a moment. Ready? A great answer would be something like,
That's okay. Sometimes you need to recharge.
wonderful. Now, situation two. You are talking about your own feelings. How can you describe the feeling of productivity guilt? Try to use the phrase shake the feeling. Take a moment to think.
You could say something like this: I'm trying to shake the feeling that I'm not doing enough.
Fantastic. Practicing like this is so important for building confidence. And if you're finding this useful, remember to subscribe to English Audio Lab. We do speaking practice like this in every single episode. So we've learned the language. Now let's talk about some real life tips for managing this feeling. Alicia, do you have any ideas?
I do. One thing that helps me is to change how I think about rest. I try to tell myself rest is also productive. It is part of the work. If I don't rest, my work will be worse later.
That's a powerful mindset shift. Rest is not the opposite of work, it's a part of work. I love that. Another tip is to schedule your rest time.
Oh, like you put read a book for 1 hour in your calendar?
Yes. That way, when you are relaxing, you are not avoiding work, you are doing exactly what you plan to do. It becomes a successful task, not a distraction.
That is so smart. You're turning rest into a to do list item. Then you can feel good about completing it.
We've talked about mindset shifts and scheduling rest. What about celebrating small wins? Sometimes we focus so much on the big goals that we forget to appreciate the small steps we take.
That's a fantastic point. If you finish one small task on your to do list, acknowledge it. It helps build momentum and makes you feel accomplished, which can fight off that feeling of not doing enough.
All right, what an excellent conversation. Let's quickly summarize what we learned today. Exactly. And another thing is to be realistic with your to do list. I think we often set ourselves up for failure by creating impossible lists, like my example at the beginning of the show.
We started by talking about productivity guilt, that uncomfortable feeling you have when you think you should be working, but you are resting instead.
And then we learned some very natural and useful English phrases. Phrases like,
I wasted my day.
I need to get things done.
It's important to recharge.
And it's hard to shake the feeling of guilt.
And we also learned that being kind to yourself is important. Rest is a necessary part of being productive.
As we finish today, we want to leave you with one final thought. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long journey with many steps.
That's so true. Some days you will study grammar and vocabulary for hours, and some days you will just listen to a song or watch a movie in English. Both of those are progress. Both are okay.
So please don't feel guilty about the days you need to rest your mind. Every little bit of listening, every small bit of practice helps you improve.
You are doing great. You're improving every day, even when it doesn't feel like it. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep being kind to yourself on your English journey.
Thank you for joining us at the English Audio Lab today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. It means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next episode.